fellow hikers. Started there, and we're going there. All right, update. This is actually a bit crazy, my dudes. I may have whatever this fisheye lens is doing. Actually, is pretty crazy. There's I gotta go down that, I guess? Question mark? Well, find out. Thought I'd take a moment and take a little video clip that will make my mother sweat. Look, Ma. Woo! Woo! Oh, I cannot wait to jump into that lake. Hoo hoo hoo. Oy, oy, oy. You know, I always thought frolicking through the fields and the meadows on the Swiss Alps would be cool, but it's not cool, or rather it's cool until you run into something spiky that sends like 100 little stingies into your knee, and you're like, what was that? Was it a bee? Was it a plant? Was it some venomous spider? I don't even know. What I do know is I didn't pack enough water. 3 liters is not enough. I packed 3 liters for 18 miles. I should have packed at least 4. So I think 4, or what is it? A liter per 4 miles. I feel like that's good because you don't know how steep something's gonna be. You don't know how, like, in the open sun it's gonna be. There's no trees, so I'm losing all this moisture. And oh, look at this, folks. It's a mother road. I'm gonna walk on it, and I'm gonna go back to Interlaken after I catch a train from Brienz. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I'm a little hot right now. These Swiss Alps were freaking gorgeous at first, but at this point, I just need to get out of the sun. They're brutal. You look at it and you go, oh yeah, I could do that. I just need water. I don't know what it is, but they're just crashing. Just eating stuff and everything, drinking water, electrolytes. But yeah, anyways, if you're gonna do a hike like this, make sure you bring too much water. Always bring too much water. It's not worth it it's not worth it to go for a lighter hiking whatever weight. But this is pretty still. Look at this. Oh yeah. Anyways, I still have like 4.5 miles to go, but at least I'm on a road now, so I thought I would speak up. Might have been having a minor beginning signs of heat stroke on the final ascent to the last peak. I don't remember the name of it. I don't even know if it had a name. It just had a huge cross on it. But yeah, high heart rate, even though I don't feel tired. It's weird. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. Bye. Hi guys. Update. I don't know what happened, but I came from that way when there's a road right here. Somehow I got off the road. I don't know what happened. Just the mapping system for Garmin, kind of weird. Also, thank you to the farm that had the continuous clean water running. I don't know who you are, but I owe you a big one, and I will send you postcards from the US. And I have a full water bottle now, so that's nice. Hopefully I stay on the road now. We'll see what happens. Almost as nice as water. Shade and dirt. First shades in 6 hours or so. I don't know how you guys in the desert do it. I can't. I miss my trees in Georgia. This is so nice. Just gonna chill here for a second because your boy hurting. Hey ladies. Oh, it's a baby. Sorry. Oh. Is this place real? Oh, no, it's not. Enjoy the chimes. I started way over there. Well, actually down there, went up. Now we're here. Hey guys, Connor here with another vlog. No, I'm just kidding. Just want to let you know that this hike is, as it says here on this candy. That's all. These things right here, lifesaver. Get your shirt wet, fill up your water. I think I filled up this 2 liter 2 times separately from when I started the hike, and I filled up this guy at least once or twice, so that's like 5 or 6 extra liters along with the 3 liters I packed to begin with. So 3 liters for me, definitely not enough for this hike. But these ice cold, delicious mountain water, oh, mwah. That's what cheaters use, or as we call them, smart people. No, I was gonna say something, but I don't know what to say. Anyways, it's really nice here. That's all. Oh. Oh my gosh. You see that? Water right there. It's insane. Started over there. Look at that. Yeah. Hopefully there's a train around here. For those that are curious.